Do which counts number of files/directories rather than size. I am trying to clean up a hard drive which has all kinds of crap on it accumulated over the years. Do has helped reduce disk usage, but the whole thing is still unwieldily, not due to the total size, but due to the sheer number of files and directories in total. Is there a way I can do something like do but not counting file size, but rather number of files and directories? For example, a file is 1, and a directory is the recursive number of files/directories inside it plus 1. Edit. I should have been more clear. I'd like to not only know the total number of files/directories in /, but also in /home, /user etc., and in their subdirectories, recursively, like do does for size.
The following PHP script does the trick. Put that in a file, say, treesize, chmod plus x, it and run it with, /treesize. Sort rn, less.
I have found do nodes useful, but I'm not sure which version of do it requires. On Ubuntu 17.10, the following works. Combine with vertical bar sort near to sort descending by number of containing nodes.
The easiest way seems to be find/path/to/search ls, wcl. Find is used to walk through all files and folders. ls to list, print, all the names. This is the default, and if you leave it out it will still work the same almost all systems. Almost, since some might have different defaults. It is a good habit to explicitly use this though. If you just use the find/path/to/search ls part, it will print all the files and directories to your screen. wc is word count. The L option tells it to count the number of lines. You can use it in several ways, for example, wc test file, cat test file, wc. The first option lets wc open a file and count the number of lines, words and chars in that file. The second option does the same but without file name, it reads from stin. You can combine commands with a piped vertical bar. Output from the first command will be piped to the input of the second command. Thus, find/path/to/search ls, wcl, uses find to list all files and directory and feeds the output to wc. wc then counts the number of lines. Another alternative would have been ls, wc, but find is much more flexible and a good tool to learn. Edit after comment. It might be useful to combine the find and the exec. For example, find, type d, path proc o path dev o path.snap / max depth 1 exec echo starting a find to count to files and in, / will list all directories and / bar some which you do not want to search. We can trigger the previous command on each of them, yielding a sum of files per folder and /. However, this uses a new specific extension max depth. It will work on Linux, but not on just any Unix alike. I suspect you might actually want to number faux files for each and every subdir.
Mshu is great for this. From the man page, you can show counts per directory and order by counts as well. For example,
If you want to support the show, please consider subscribing.